Authorware Professional is something that I've been waiting for many, many years.
It's a fantastic program. It's allowed me to do things in the last year that I couldn't do in the previous 10 years.
They did a remarkable job in putting together a product that serves the user, not just the programmer.
Hello, I'm Bud Colligan, president of Authorware. You've heard what some of your colleagues have been saying about Authorware. Many of you have been faced with the tedium of developing courseware with tools that predefined your instructional approach by the pedagogy of their tool. Tools that required a vast amount of programming knowledge to do relatively simple interactions. Tools that failed to use multimedia to present concepts that required it. I'm glad to say that those days are over. Our mission at Authorware is to create breakthrough tools that unleash your creativity and passion for teaching and research, and to give you personal access to the development process. We think Authorware Professional does just that. It provides a rich visual toolkit for creating and delivering interactive instruction. Instruction that takes many dynamic forms.
The vision behind Course of Action and our next generation product, Authorware Professional, is to create an environment that empowers the instructor to design and develop sophisticated courseware. We wanted a tool with a high level of interactivity and visual appeal that could be learned easily and used to implement effective instructional designs. We started with a graphic interface so that objects could be easily manipulated. All the design or programming is done with only 11 icons. Icons for displaying text and graphics, for animating a sequence, or for playing sounds and video. You simply pull an icon onto the course flow line to begin to prototype your application.
When I first saw Course of Action, I couldn't believe it. I mean, it was the most fantastic thing I'd ever seen. I thought, my God, I can spend time doing course material for my subject area instead of spending time doing systems programming just to make the thing run. What had in the past been a great coup just to get the screens up working was trivial now. So I could concern myself much more with the content of what I was presenting rather than the fact that I was able to present it.
We're finding that the rate at which we're able to bring the material up and running on the computer is as great or greater than what we'd anticipated. There are a total of 38 units in the total math program, and we were able to bring them up and running in version 1 in a period of about 4 months. And I cannot think of any other means of authoring material that would have allowed us to do this in such a short time.
It was very easy for me to think about how the prototype would unfold and to lay that out on the course line. And I knew that there was a lot of complicated programming underneath, but what I needed to be concerned with was what is at a much simpler level so that I could focus my attention on the prototype itself and the interactions that I was looking for and not worry about the programming.
We wanted an environment that simulates the real world using text, graphics, sound, images, video, and dynamic data. Educators asked us for real-time manipulation and integration of multiple media, so we've built an environment that encourages a high degree of interactivity and provides whatever the learning environment requires for browsing, intelligent question and answer, data lookup, or simulation. An engineer can build the parts of an engine and then show how they work through real-time simulation. A biologist can use a reference database to understand the implications of the cell cycle on a problem he's working on. A photography student exploring a camera simulation can understand the relationships of exposure and film speed. And an architect can simulate a parking lot to understand the notion of perspective.
Course of Action makes the ability to provide animation and motion within an object which is also moving on a path, a reality. The complexity of what you can represent is truly phenomenal.
It provided us with color, sound, the ability to bring in video and other things. And it could be packaged and, in theory, transported to other environments other than the Apple that we were developing a prototype on.
It's an entirely different way of being able to deliver material. It allows you to do animation. It allows a high level of interactivity. It allows student feedback that is instant. And none of these things, of course, can be done with other delivery mechanisms.
When we go to schools and universities, we hear and we understand the need to have Authorware Professional on multiple platforms. Schools need to use available computers and distribute information remotely from their mainframe or central file server. Flexibility is the key. Authorware currently provides delivery and presentation on both Macintosh and MS-DOS personal computers. Once a module is created on the Macintosh, moving it to an IBM PC compatible system is as easy as this. Network delivery is supported to facilitate work groups and campus-wide distribution of courseware.
When you do business with Authorware, you're really entering into a relationship, a partnership. We believe we have the most comprehensive development platform for flexible learning environments. But our commitment to you means much more. It means state-of-the-art training at Authorware or training materials for your campus computer center. It means communicating with you on a quarterly basis through Authorware magazine. It means working with you to share a library of instructional models so that you can leverage the work of your colleagues. When you make a commitment to Authorware, we make a commitment to you.
It's a chance to make a difference in society and to provide something that will be used. It's also exciting to be dealing with state-of-the-art technology.
Unquestionably, Authorware Professional has been the correct choice. It's allowed us to be efficient. It allows the people that are involved in writing the material to be creative. The only limitation that it's given us is the limitation that resides in the individual, in the individual's ability to think of creative ways of presenting concepts. Once an individual has determined what it is they want to get across, Authorware Professional provides the tools necessary to be able to put that on the screen.
If you can just shut your eyes and dream about what you would like to see appear on screen and how that presentation would follow to the student, it can be done. And you can do it. It's easy.